Hello Catalyst friends, I'm Lance Bird and this is Roots Wallet after Fund 7. You can find us at rootswallet.com. Our team is 4 software developers who are all IOG ItaliPrism Pioneer graduates and current IOG Italis Astros. We have created the first open source identity wallet for Cardano. You have heard all the buzz in Catalyst and in the Cardano community. Identity is foundational to property rights, essential in emergent situations like pandemics, and so much more. In 2021, the IOG ItaliPrism ecosystem was deployed to the Cardano testnet. ItaliPrism is the Cardano identity platform. We were mentored by Tony Rose, who is the IOG ItaliPrism product owner, and Daryl O'Donnell, who is the author of the Identity Wallet chapter of the seminal SSI book, Self-Sovereign Identity. They've been incredibly supportive of our team and wallet proposal. Through that mentorship, and after many meetings with other wallet development teams, it became clear what makes our wallet so pivotal. Fund 7 proposals needed an identity wallet for their users. There weren't any wallets to connect their users to Prism. These partner proposals are our use cases and helped shape our roadmap. We are building their identity wallet. We connected with several of the proposers in the Pioneer program, and together we identified the need for an open source identity wallet on Cardano that will start small, remain simple to use, and designed to be cross-platform and pluggable in order to serve the immediate needs. To be clear, we look forward to other identity wallets being released for ItaliPrism, but so far, we're the only open source identity wallet available to begin establishing digital identities on Cardano. Our partners want to develop projects in places like Indonesia, Zambia, Latin America, and beyond. We surveyed these partners to determine the minimum viable product that their users absolutely must have for Fund 8 and beyond. This is where our name, Roots Wallet, originated. We are the identity wallet built for Catalyst grassroots efforts. Based on the needs of our partners, here were our Fund 7 priorities. The open source code can be built and deployed on recent Android devices. We provide support for QR codes to make identity operations easy. Users are able to receive a credential from an issuer and see all of their credentials. Users will be able to present a credential to verifiers. Our total budget for Fund 7 was $39,000, which funded about 2/3 of our development costs. Our developers personally covered another third of the cost. We are grateful to the Catalyst voters for funding 6 of our 9 Fund 8 proposals. We will be adding decentralized communication features for both Roots Wallet and Wall CLI. We will be adding secure encrypted storage and the ability to back up and restore your Roots wallet. We will continue to march towards interoperability with the greater SSI ecosystem by providing sidetree and universal resolver implementations. All of our work will be using the latest SSI open source standards. Let's take a look at Roots Wallet Alpha release. To create your wallet, create a password and confirm the password. Use your password to log into the wallet. You'll see your contacts initially, which is just your own. You can see the details of you, and you can display a QR code in order to share your profile with other Roots Wallet users. We can see that we have contacts and credentials. And if you look at your event history for your Roots Wallet, we get a welcome message. We see that we created our wallet, and we also created our first decentralized identity called a DID. We're automatically posting that DID to Prism, which is the identity platform on Cardano, currently on testnet. And we can look at the QR code for our newly created DID. If you want to geek out a little and see what metadata exists on the Cardano blockchain, you can click that event, and it opens your browser to the Cardano Blockchain Explorer. Currently, Prism is only on testnet, and that's where we're running here, and you can see additional details. Let's head back to Roots Wallet. And you can see a message that to celebrate publishing our DID, we're going to issue ourselves a verifiable credential. You can view the credential and see the details of the credential. In this case, this is the Prism DID publisher credential. You can also revoke the credential and accept the credential that you issued to yourself. And you can view the credential. We can also view the credential from the credential list. Here you see it's the Prism DID publisher credential, and it's the same view that you saw in the event view. If we click the question mark, we can verify the credential. In this case, we already revoked this credential, and so we see that it was revoked. If we go back to contacts, we see our own history, and we can go back to our contact list. If we want to add a new contact, we can scan their barcode. We've now got a new contact, Esteban Garcia. He's got his own DID. We're currently processing a verifiable credential to send to him, and we can also make notes about having met him. So I said, I met Esteban today at Catalyst Town Hall, and that's a note in my Roots wallet. We wait for the verifiable credential that we are creating to post to the blockchain. While we're waiting for it, we can look at Esteban's profile, and we can show his QR code. Each profile currently has a picture, a DID, and a name. And if we revoke this credential, we can see credential is revoked.